Hello, people. How are you today? I'm sketching Kushal all the way. A pencil in a hand, a paper so white. Let's hope the sketch comes out right. Welcome, everybody. Take a seat. Today, this pencil must compete against a photo sharp and clear. No pressure at all, just panic and fear. The paper is calm. The pencil is brave. My confidence comes in a little waves. 1 minute high, 1 minute low. That's the artistic roller coaster show. Line by line, slowly we go. Where we will end up, nobody knows. Even the pencil asks sometime, "Boss, what's the plan?" I tell it honestly. I will figure it out if I can. The pencil is fast. My brain is slow. Sometimes I lead. Sometimes I follow. Sometimes I look smart. Sometimes I guess. Sometimes my workplace looks like a mess. I look at the photo. I look at the page. I look back again like a confused sage. Then I look once more, just to be sure, because artistic confusion has no unknown cure. The pencil says, "Trust me, boss." I say, "Please don't make me a loss." The pencil replies, "That that's not my job. You are the artist." What a cheeky little knob. Cricketer has runs. Artists have lines. Both need patience most of the time. A batsman waits for the perfect ball. An artist waits for no mistake look small. My pencil keeps running. It never get tired. My hands keep asking, "Can I please retire?" My fingers complain. My wrist starts to cry. But the sketch isn't finished. So nobody can say goodbye. The eraser laughs. What a funny scene. Without my help, you know what I mean. The pencil makes history. The eraser rewrites. Together, they are working. Day shifts and nights. Sometime I think the eraser the star. Without the little hero, I won't get far. Give it some applause. Give it some fame. Because every mistake ends in its name. Now let's talk about artists. We are funny breed. We buy more pencils than we ever need. 20 on the table, 30 in a box. Yet somehow will we still say, "Where are my stocks?" Artists lose pencils every single day. Nobody knows where they go away. I think they have meetings late at night, planning their escape out of our sight. The sketch get better bit by bit. At least that's what I can tell myself a bit. Confidence returns, then quickly departs, playing hide and seek. With artistic hearts, some people play football, some people sing, some people dance and do amazing things. Me, I stare at paper for an one for an hour. Try to convince lines to become my friend. Every sketch teaches something new. Sometimes what to do, sometimes what not to do, and sometimes it teaches a lesson quite funny. Patience is valuable, but so is money. Imagine if sketch could talk. That would be wild. Mine would probably say, "Please be gentle, child. Stop staring so much. Stop checking me twice. I'm trying my best. Can you please be nice?" Now the pressure is rising. The finish is near. The artist gets excited. The pencil starts to cheer. The paper says, We have come this far. The eraser says, I deserve an award. At this stage, the excitement grows. The final result begins to show. The puzzle pieces start fitting together. Things are looking better and better. The smile comes back. The doubts take flight. Everything is final. Everything is finally looking all right. The hand is tired. The pencil is thin. But quitting now would be a terrible sin. Now we are close. The end is near. The smile is back. The finish is here. The journey was long. The journey was fun. And somehow the battle has finally been won. If it looks like Kushal, hip hip hooray! Let's celebrate this wonderful day. If it does not, don't be a fool. Let's call it modern art and stay cool. Art is funny, art is strange. One tiny detail can change the whole game. One little line, one little shade can turn panic into masterpiece made. And now we are done. The mission is through. The pencil is survived, and so did you. Thank you for staying for start to end. Your support means more than you comprehend. Thanks for watching. You are awesome too. Like, comment, and share. And see you soon. Until next time, take care, stay bright, and may all your sketches come out just right. Bye bye. Bye bye bye.